Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, May 9th, 2024 on our channel, Break Time 100er. Mitsubishi Electric has launched a new HVAC controller. Daikin Europe investing €140 million in the development of a new R&D center. Condair helps Konvekta achieve 92% energy recovery. MIRAI Intex delivers cutting-edge refrigeration solution to leading pharmaceutical site near Strasbourg. ICS Cool Energy opens a new training facility in Totton. Mitsubishi Electric Trane HVAC US first to earn new Department of Energy training recognition. Refrigeration Design and Service has completed the acquisition of Dahms Refrigeration Services. Systemair acquires PHEM engineering in Malaysia. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Mitsubishi Electric has launched a new HVAC controller. Mitsubishi Electric has launched a new control platform to provide more monitoring and reporting, deliver an increased amount of immediately accessible data, and enhance overall functionality to building operators and facilities managers. The new tool also supports the configuration, monitoring, and preemptive maintenance of HVAC systems. MelCloud Commercial is an IoT, Internet of Things platform that collects data and sends signals to heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment, and allows these systems to be operated and monitored remotely from mobile devices anywhere in the world. Read more of the news on our website today. Second news today. Daikin Europe investing €140 million in the development of a new R&D center. Daikin Europe NV, a leading heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration HVAC and R manufacturer in Europe, the Middle East, and Africa, EMEA, announces its chairman of the board of Daikin Europe, Masatsugu Minaka, joined fellow Japanese business leaders to bolster Belgian-Japanese cooperation at a special event with King Philippe of Belgium, in partnership with the Belgium-Japan Association and Chamber of Commerce. Read more of the news on our website today. Third news today. Condair helps Konvekta achieve 92% energy recovery. The Condair ME evaporative humidifier is being used by energy recovery specialists Konvekta as one of its standard adiabatic cooling solutions. The humidifier is being incorporated into Konvekta's exhaust air cooling systems to help Konvekta deliver up to 92% annual energy recovery to its clients' buildings. A Konvekta exhaust air cooling system pre-cools incoming fresh air to reduce a building's need for mechanical cooling. Read more of the news on our website today. Fourth news today. MIRAI Intex delivers cutting-edge refrigeration solution to leading pharmaceutical site near Strasbourg. In a significant stride towards eco-friendly and sustainable refrigeration, MIRAI Intex has proudly announced its latest accomplishment in supplying advanced refrigeration technology to a key pharmaceutical project led by Axima Refrigeration France. This ambitious initiative, situated near Strasbourg, marks a milestone in the refrigeration industry, particularly for applications requiring ultra-low temperatures. Read more of the news on our website today. Fifth news today. ICS Cool Energy opens a new training facility in Totton. ICS Cool Energy has announced the opening of a new training center at its Totton site. The custom-built laboratory is designed to facilitate the training and development of technicians in an environment tailored to their needs. It offers hands-on simulation and classroom setup with all the equipment that ICS Cool Energy sells, rents, and services, including chillers, free coolers, temperature control units, TCUs, heat exchangers, controls, and more. Read more of the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Mitsubishi Electric Trane HVAC US, first to earn new Department of Energy training recognition. Mitsubishi Electric Trane HVAC US LLC METIS a leading supplier of ductless and ducted mini-split and variable refrigerant flow (VRF) heat pump and air conditioning systems, has become the first manufacturer to receive the Energy Skilled recognition from the Department of Energy (DOE) for its residential heat pump installation and comfort advising training program. Read more of the news on our website today. 7th News Today. Refrigeration Design and Service has completed the acquisition of Dahms Refrigeration Services. Southfield Capital, a premier lower-middle market private equity firm, and Kelvin Group announced that Refrigeration Design and Service, a commercial and industrial mission-critical mechanical services company and design-build provider headquartered in Fairless Hills, PA, has completed the acquisition of Dahms Refrigeration Services, a contracting firm in Norristown, PA, specializing in the sales, service, and maintenance of industrial and commercial refrigeration facilities. Read more of the news on our website today. 8th News Today. Systemair acquires PHEM engineering in Malaysia. Systemair has acquired the air handling unit manufacturer PHEM Engineering in Malaysia. PHEM Engineering is a manufacturer of air handling units and fans for commercial applications with sales in Southeast Asia and Australia. Its headquarters and production facility are located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The company employs approximately 40 people and for the last financial year, ending in March 2024, had a turnover of the equivalent of SEK 47 millions. Read more of the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.